Hey there, welcome back friends. In our previous videos we have checked how to download and install Eclipse and how to download and install Java. Definitely easy to follow videos. But there is a issue. The user interface of Eclipse website or Java website is not controlled by me or StudyEasy. As a result, the user interface may vary time to time. What is the solution? Solution is very simple. For example, you can directly Google for Eclipse for Java EE. You will directly get the link for packages from where you can download Eclipse for Java EE. Likewise, you can Google for download Java. Now, Google skills is definitely important. So try to search, research, and try to improve your Google skills and try to search for the appropriate piece of software whenever and whichever you need. Moreover, for example, there is a yet another popular IDE, IntelliJ for example. Again, if you are using IntelliJ or if you are using any other operating system, that's perfectly okay. If there is a IDE available for the operating system, if Java is available for the operating system, you would be able to execute the programs which are shown in our course. So there is no issue. For example, you install IntelliJ on Mac OS and you start running our application, it will run. Definitely there is a catch when it comes to IntelliJ, and I will show you how to import Eclipse project into IntelliJ and how to execute our program on IntelliJ in our later videos. But definitely everything is possible, and try to search, research on Google, try to find a solution if you stuck anywhere, and definitely try to check the user interface of the website whenever you are moving forward for downloading any piece of software. Alright, so this was a small message from me to you, and congratulations for enrolling into this course. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and take care.